Well, looks like it's about that time again, and I'm going to be announcing today what we're going to be giving away for the month of December giveaway. I was going to do it as we normally do the first week of the following month on January the 5th. However, I've decided that I will do the giveaway on December 27th. So we're going to do it a little bit early. And what I'm going to be giving away this month is my way of saying thank you for watching our channel. And also thank you if you had an opportunity to subscribe to our channel and tap notifications, hopefully, so you'll know if you're the winner of the giveaway this month. We're going to be giving away two things this month to two different people. The first of which is going to be a picture I'll show you in just a moment on the video, and that'll be a picture of I'm giving away a total of 1 gram of gold nuggets, and that's bigger than our November giveaway. And it's a total of 3 nuggets totaling 1 gram. And gold right now is almost at $40 a gram, so that's a pretty good deal. And if you don't have a gold nugget, now you'll have 3 gold nuggets. One's a picker, and I'd say the other 2 are definitely gold nuggets, and I'll show you the picture here next. So you might be asking yourself, why am I giving away gold nuggets and pickers of 24 karat to 18 karat gold on a sprinkler channel? And the reason why is because I'm a gold miner, and that's my hobby. My day job is a sprinkler repair guy. I'm a contractor, and I've been in business 27 years here in Northern California. And I just think that gold mining is fun, and I explained to my subscribers and people viewing last month that I think it's a cool hobby, and I know there's lots of places all over the world where people are able to do this. Not very many places have gold nuggets. California is lucky and fortunate enough to be one of those states, and I'm lucky enough to have quite a few of them. So that being said, it's my hobby. I'd like to share it with you and your family. If you've always wanted to know what it's like to have some real gold from California, from where the gold rush started, you're about to find out. The other thing is, we're all going to be also, since this is a sprinkler channel, not just a gold miner giving away some of his gold, I'd like to also give away a Rainbird TM2 sprinkler timer. And so I'll show you a picture of that as well. That's the new one that's Wi-Fi. And I'll also be sending you the Wi-Fi module as well, so that you'll be able to make the timer Wi-Fi. And that's about I don't know, retail probably about $120 value. So hopefully you guys like our giveaways. Share this information with everyone you know. Try to get them on the channel. Get them to subscribe and tap notifications so they'll be able to see this video, as well as on the 26th or 27th, one of those 2 days, probably be the 27th, they'll be able to see if they're one of the 2 winners for the month. And then I'll give you instructions on what you need to do in order to collect your prize. So again, thank you for watching our channel. If you happen to tune into just this video, you can go to YouTube and go to Gary Sprinkler Repair and tap subscribe. It'll turn gray, and then tap the bell next to it. And now you'll be a subscriber to our channel, and you'll be entered into all of our cool drawings that we have every month, as well as the opportunity to see all the new videos and ask a licensed contractor sprinkler irrigation questions free of charge any time of day or night. And I usually will get back to you with that answer within a few hours. Sometimes it will be, later in the day. But hopefully that helps you out with some of your sprinkler needs. And again, I'd like to wish all of my subscribers and viewers that have come to the channel throughout the year and today a very Merry Christmas. And I'll be seeing you again after Christmas on the 27th to announce the giveaway winners. So hopefully you'll win, and good luck. Take care, and we'll see you after Christmas. Merry Christmas.